Far above the ocean, beyond the fighter jets, beyond the missile defenses, one strange-looking aircraft silently watches everything. It doesn't carry massive bombs. It rarely appears in Hollywood movies. And most people have no idea how powerful it truly is. But inside its rotating radar dome, the E-2 Hawkeye controls entire battles from the sky. It sees threats before anyone else. Enemy aircraft, incoming missiles, hostile fleets, and even stealth targets. But here's the mystery. Why is this Cold War aircraft still flying today? And is the legendary E-2 Hawkeye still being produced after decades of service? Because hidden inside its cockpit lies one of America's most secretive airborne command systems ever created. The Grumman E-2 Hawkeye first entered service during the Cold War. At first glance, it looked unusual. A twin-engine propeller aircraft with a giant rotating radar dome mounted above the fuselage. But appearances were deceiving. The Hawkeye wasn't designed for dogfighting. It was designed to see everything. The E-2 Hawkeye serves as an airborne early warning and command aircraft for the US Navy. Its mission was simple: detect threats before they reached carrier strike groups. During the Cold War, Soviet bombers and anti-ship missiles posed enormous danger to American carriers. The Navy needed flying radar stations capable of monitoring massive areas of airspace. So, the Hawkeye became the fleet's eyes in the sky. And inside its cockpit, operators tracked entire battles in real time. As military technology evolved, so did the threats. Faster jets, cruise missiles, electronic warfare, stealth aircraft. The battlefield became increasingly dangerous, but the E-2 Hawkeye evolved too. Modern E-2 Hawkeye variants use advanced radar systems capable of tracking hundreds of targets simultaneously. The aircraft transformed from a simple airborne radar plane into a flying command center. Pilots weren't the only people on board. The Hawkeye carried radar operators, battle managers, and mission specialists coordinating entire naval operations. Inside the aircraft, every second mattered. One missed target could mean disaster for an aircraft carrier strike group. And suddenly, the Hawkeye became one of the most important aircraft in modern naval warfare. The E-2 Hawkeye may not look like the deadliest aircraft in the sky, but behind its radar dome, it controls the flow of modern warfare itself. If you want more hidden military aviation secrets, naval warfare documentaries, advanced aircraft technology, and classified combat stories, subscribe now to Supersonic News. Because the next video may reveal the airborne systems secretly controlling tomorrow's wars before they even begin.